Okay, let's talk about the reality of things. When you're starting a new project, you need to understand what? The scope of your project, the value of it. You need to establish a budget. What about defining end goals and short-term objectives? Establishing a schedule. You need to identify management structures and checkpoints so that you know what milestones you're assessing and when to evaluate successes and weaknesses. How about implementing change where needed? Determining external and internal resources. Well, actually, homeschooling is no different. Many people say it's easy and just jump in and get started. Yes, it's not complicated, but it is intricate. So I wouldn't advise just jumping in and going without having a plan. It has many moving pieces, multiple children, various learning styles, different age groups, and a robust schedule. Don't enter into it haphazardly. Enter as any other project or plan. Enter it properly. Homeschooling is never static. It is fluid. Change is inevitable. It will happen. Don't be afraid to make adjustments. Many have done it before you, so you do not have to reinvent the wheel. And you also do not have to replicate anyone's homeschool. Your homeschool is unique to you and to your situation. Life happens, and when life happens, change will inevitably happen. You are the instructor, the counselor, the principal, the parent, the cook, the physical ed teacher, and more. So don't get overwhelmed trying to do it all. You really, really don't. There are so many resources, outsourced resources. There's support. There's other professionals and experts that are great in an area that you may need a little bit of extra help. There are activities and co-ops, financial literacy classes and nature studies. There are STEM programs. There are college courses for high schoolers. There are so many things. So many things, there is no shortage of help for you. So plug in to one or more communities and find your like-minded crew. Don't forget that step. You need to have support and people who are like-minded just like you, who are on this same path together. And also, always take time out for yourself. Homeschooling is very, very rewarding, but you will find days that may be overwhelming, and that's normal, that's natural. What's not is staying in that state. So don't stay in that state. Always regularly take time out for yourself so that you know how to diffuse or control that level of stress and the overwhelming feeling. It doesn't have to take money. Go to a bookstore, go to a library and read, go on a walk, go on a hike. You can go to the beach or the boardwalk. Or some people may like to pamper themselves. Have a meal by yourself with no children. Eat and enjoy, and always take pleasure in this journey.